RTR production.
Yeah. You're getting closer to the soul. Everything seems so much brighter. All your burdens so much lighter. You're getting closer to the soul. It helps you see things just a little clearer. You're getting closer to the soul. I started dealing with reality. Once I did, I found the goodness in me, and I decided to pass it to you. That's what I should do. Don't you agree? You're getting closer to the soul. You'll find peace in confusion. You're getting closer to the soul. Happiness won't be just an illusion. You're getting closer to the soul. It'll make your day, make it oh so bright. You're getting closer to the soul. Little children. 106.9. When spirit people come together, it's just a beautiful thing to see. They come to talk about doing good, spreading love, philosophy. Spread the feeling across the nation. Gonna be the good folks springing out from everywhere. They come to tell you about the deep inside lullaby. You closer to the soul. Conversation changes for the better. Closer to the soul. Yeah, never have to worry about the weather. You're getting closer to the soul. Get closer, get closer. You're getting closer to the soul. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Constant Radio.
The soul.
This is Hodge. Close.
Closer to the soul. Woo! Yeah, yeah.
Constant Water Festival.
Yeah, closer to the source. Don't you miss out, don't you miss out on it. Come on in. Yeah, closer to the source. You'll find love, peace, joy, and understanding. Yeah, closer to the source. Come closer, come closer. Yeah, yeah, closer to the source.
The source is me.
Talk about peace of mind. Talk about peace of mind. Talk about peace of mind. This feeling all the time. Yeah, yeah. I'm telling you. Yeah, I'm telling you. Yeah, closer to the source. Don't you miss out.
I don't know when you and I'm having big time.
Closer to the source.
Source?
Come closer. Closer to the soul. I'm telling you. Alright.
Me?
Don't you miss out. Yeah, closer to the source. Alright. Don't let it pass you by. Don't you let it pass you by, no. Closer to the source. Alright. Closer to the soul. Alright. Alright. Closer. Closer to the soul. Alright.
This is DJ Hodge Close on Black FM 106.9 on your dial. Closer. Closer. In 1712, Bowden, in the Scottish borders, the last witch in Scotland,